Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind those faceless YouTube channels that are making a ton of money.
So how do they do it without ever showing a face? Well, it all comes down to one powerful strategy.
It's called YouTube automation. This is the engine that powers those so-called cash cow channels. Experts actually call it a form of digital real estate, an asset that makes you money 24/7. And the benefits? We're talking financial freedom, working from anywhere, and scaling up multiple income streams. All right, so how do you even start? Well, first up, finding your profitable niche. Here's the expert method for finding viral, high RPM niches that are absolutely blowing up right now. So, it's all about balance. Find something you're into that also has some proven potential to succeed. Okay, next up, you need the right tools. Here is a completely free AI toolkit to create your videos. Let's start with Meta AI. It's awesome for creating consistent characters and scenes, and it costs nothing. Then you've got CapCut. This thing can generate long-form content in minutes, perfect for monetization. And finally, Ver. This gives you incredible control over animation. You're basically the director now. Making videos is one thing, but building a brand, that's where the real long-term value is. First, you gotta know your numbers. RPM tells you how much money you're making per 1,000 views. And watch time, that's the total time viewers spend watching. It's absolutely crucial for the YouTube algorithm. But beyond metrics, a professional look is essential. Your branding is what makes your channel memorable. Just follow these simple design rules for your logo and banner. It'll create a polished professional identity. So what does this all mean for the future? Let's wrap this up with the big picture. Experts are saying it loud and clear. This model is a game-changing opportunity, and it's happening right now. So now you have the playbook, the strategy, the niche, and free AI tools. This is a real business. This just shows you the power of AI today. It really makes you wonder, what's next for us?